Today's event is Operation Dyess Kids. Our event is geared towards giving our families, our spouses, and our children deployment insight, kind of experience what their loved ones go through when they process through before a deployment. What we do is we put the kids through a mock processing line where we have public health. We also have the chaplain services. We also have legal, giving out power of attorneys and wills. And then we have the Airmen and Family Readiness Center providing information on some of the services they provide, as well as family advocacy.
It's a great thing to show the kids that their parents get deployed and they just get like a little insight of what it is, you know. It's just a good way and a fun way, you know, bounce house and food and just fun things for the kids to do. My children are 11, 9, and 7. They normally ask questions like, why does my daddy have to be gone? My response is just, daddy keeps us safe. There's a lot of different daddies and mommies that are gone and somebody has to do it, and daddy's brave enough to do it. I think these are great events to hold. It really encourages parents to come out and be involved in the base activities.
The purpose of doing these type of events for our families and our children is just trying to break down some of those nervous tensions of not knowing what their loved ones are going through when they're actually processing and getting ready to leave out on a deployment.